Welcome. Want to change your gender on Roblox? Whether you're looking to update your profile or just want to try something new, it's a simple process. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the updated steps to change your gender on Roblox. Let's get started. Step 1. First, launch the Roblox app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. Step 2. Once you're in, look for the 3 dots or the menu icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the menu. Step 3. In the menu, tap on Settings. This will bring you to your main settings page, where you can adjust various account settings. Step 4. Now, tap on Account Info. This is where you can make changes to your account, including your personal details. Step 5. Under the Gender section, you'll see an option to select your gender. Simply tap on the drop-down menu, and you'll be able to choose your gender from the available options. And that's it. You've successfully updated your gender on Roblox. It's that simple. Remember, you can always return to these steps if you want to change it again later. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. See you in the next video.